All right, my friends, here we are taking a look at ChatGPT again, and we're going to ask it some questions today. So let's go to a new chat. And these are some of the previous questions, but I'm going to ask it a new question. I'm going to ask it, can you write a PMP exam question? Even without requesting it, check that out. You're working on a project that involves construction of a new building. The project sponsor has recently requested that the project scope be expanded to include a new floor to the building. How should you handle this request? And it spits it out. So that's pretty crazy, but I'm curious to know if it's pulling this from somewhere. So I'm gonna do a little check and just do a search for this exact string. So let's search Google for this exact string. And yeah, you can't fault it because this string is unique. Although I know if I put it into an AI check tool, it'll probably find that it's pulling from somewhere. But on the surface, it's quite impressive and it's giving you a rationale. So think about it. This tool can write sample PMP questions. It doesn't get any crazier than that. Now watch this. I'm going to ask it to write me a PMP question about a particular topic. Write me a PMP question about risk management. Let me make it more complicated. Risk and issue management. Let's see if it's able to figure something out. You're the project manager of a software development project and you've just identified a potential risk that could impact the project schedule. Your team has proposed a mitigation plan that involves adding additional team members to the project. What is the next step in the risk management process? It's even quoted the PMBOK guide for you. It doesn't get any crazier than that, my friends. And you could go on, and there goes someone's job. I know it does require a human to go back in and check, but the cycle time is greatly reduced. So what's in this for you? If you are a knowledge worker, it behooves you to get into ChatGPT and begin to think about ways you could harness it to your advantage. You probably actually want to start now because as time goes on, there's going to be a pretty penny for this. Probably, I'm just guessing, I don't know. But I would recommend that you go in, play around in the sandbox, find out what it can do for you, get smart, get on the front end of that wave, and let me know what you think, all right? Drop me a comment below. I'm curious to know your thoughts. You take care, project manager. Bye for now.